answer this. Eyes here? Okay, so first we need to determine whether the given inequality is true or false. So given this triangle. So based on the given, what are the three interior angles? Siya? 1, 2, and 3. And what do you call 4 and 5? Exterior angle. Okay, number 1. Are you ready? Okay, number 1. The measure of angle 4 is greater than to the measure of angle 2. Anyone? True or false? True. Bakit true? Okay, kasi po, si 2 ay remote interior ni angle 4. Kaya dapat mas mataas si 4 kaysa kay 2. Number 1, true. O, number 2 tayo. The measure of angle 1 is greater than to the measure of angle 4. So, to. False po. Bakit? Kasi si angle 1 ay okay, na dapat mas mataas yung exterior angle. That is false. Number 3. The measure of angle 5 is less than to the measure of angle 3. Okay. Yes, Salamanding? True? Again, the measure of angle 5 is less than to the measure of angle 3. Step number 1. What is the relationship of 5 and 3? Si 5 nasa? Exterior. Ano niya si 3? Remote interior. Na dapat mas mataas si 5 kesa kay 3. Sino ang kinain? Okay, ano? True or false? What is the relationship of 5 and 3? Si 5 nasa? Exterior angle. At si 3 ay kanyang remote interior. Ano sabi sa exterior angle inequality theorem? Mas malaki dapat si exterior kesa kay remote interior. Sino dapat kakainin? Si 5. Sino kinain? True or false? Okay. False po yan. Okay na. Naintindihan na. Next. Quiet na. Number 4. The measure of angle 5 is greater than to the measure of angle 2. Ano yung relationship nilang dalawa? Exterior at remote interior. Sino kinain? Okay. Sino kinain? True or false? Okay, very good. The answer for number 4 is true. Then number 5 na tayo. Quiet po. Number 5. The measure of angle 4 is equal to the measure of angle 2 and angle 3. Okay. Anyone, what do you think is the answer? Yes, Garcia. Why?
Because katabi naman yung 4 ay si 3, so hindi siya interior.
Remote? Hindi ni 4 remote interior si 3. So dapat the measure of angle 4 is equal to the measure of what? Angle 1 and angle 2. Kaya ano po ito? False po ito. So do you understand the meaning of exterior angle inequality theorem? Sigurado?